I might have found a good location for truck parking. Look, this is all empty. There's more room over there. So if you go 294, you can take 2E to Lee, and it's right there. Will the truck parking work for here with this or no? I might have found a good location for truck parking. Right now it's just vacant lot. There was something on that place before, but it's taken down. I don't know, was it a warehouse or some facility? I'm driving by this location every single day, and one day I was on the stoplight and looking to the left, and I see, whoa, look at this location. It looks good. And so I'm driving there right now. I'm gonna show you. Maybe it's a good property for, you know, for a next truck parking. And there's actually a for sale sign. So let's go. I'll show you. Let me see. Okay, so there's a Dunkin' Donuts right there. It's Oakton Street. This is Oakton, and that where the stoplight is, it's called Lee. Hold on. Oops, almost missed it. Okay, so it's behind Dunkin' Donuts. So look, this is all empty. See? And it's not too bad. Okay, so everything, this is a postal office right there to the left. I mean, right there. So there's more room over there. See, there's a for sale sign. There's more room here and here. So let's see. So this is where it's at, and location's good too. Like if you go 294, let me fix it up. So if you go 294, you can take 2E to Lee, and it's right there. So from 294, it's not bad. All right, so I see homes over there, so that could be a problem to park trucks over there if they're noisy and then smoke and all that. You know, it's too close to homes. So that could be a problem, and also it's too close to the street. That could be also a problem. I don't know. Well, the land that way, there's a lot of land that way. So look, it's for sale. Let's see, let's look on LoopNet. Let's look on LoopNet. Oh, there's something. Yeah, that's the one. So, let's see, maybe you can see that. So yeah, that's the lot. This is Dunkin' Donuts. This thing is for sale. So there should be a brochure. Let's see, 3.7 million they're asking. Let me see, let me find out. Shadow. Okay. So development opportunity. They're showing like an apartment and townhome buildings. It's like a plan. Somebody came up with this plan, and they're showing that it could be done. 3.7 million, and there is 128,000 in taxes per year. How about we call one of these guys and we talk to them? Let me call Tony. I know. No, let me call Dave. He's number one on the list. Call the guy. Hi, Dave. This is Oleg with Century 21. I wanted to ask you about this Executive Way listing that you guys have in Des Plaines. Is it
Sure.
still available or is it sold?
It's under contract right now.
Oh, I see.
There's 6 acres to the, with open frontage, and then behind that there's another 4.
Yeah, I see that. I'm actually right here looking at this. Is this, do you know if this zoning is, I see C3. What is it in C3 displays? Commercial, the truck, will the truck parking work for here with this or no?
No, okay, so they want apartments there.
Apartments, I got you.
They want apartments and maybe a small component of townhomes, unless some giant big box came in, but that market's dead. We tried.
Amazon maybe. Amazon.
Yeah, but let me think if I have, it's got to be in that area.
No, it doesn't really. Well, if it would be nice if it was close to 294.
Right.
But it doesn't really, anywhere near O'Hare is good. I got a bunch of people looking for it.
And I come up with something, so.
Sure. Save my number.
Okay. Well, what's your, what is this? 0305 235.
Yeah, thanks, Dave. Okay, bye.
Right.
Alright, just like you heard. This is not good. The Des Plaines has a plan to build another metro station. They want this place to be apartments to support. I don't know how that really works. So people would be living here and they could travel to the city, and they want to build more apartments. So that's actually good. There's going to be more apartments and townhomes here, and you can purchase the new ones. That's good. But we need the trucking parking, right? So, alright guys, sorry, I tried.